Hello, dear students. So now today we would be moving ahead in this sixth chapter of class 10th mathematics, that is triangles. Okay. So here today we would be starting the exercise also, and here today we would be discussing the first question, that is fill in the blanks. Okay. You have to fill the blanks there. Okay. So question is, options are also given here in the bracket. Question is, all circles are dead at S, congruent or similar. Just fill it. What would come there? All circles are congruent or similar. Congruent means shape and size both should be same. Only these triangles are congruent. Let me make a bigger and a smaller triangle. Are these congruent? No. So all triangles are congruent? No. But all triangles are similar. These are also similar because shape is same. These are also similar because shape is same. Okay. So hence we would call all triangles are similar. This one you would fill here. Okay. Next question. All dash triangles are similar. Now just tell me this one question. All dash triangles are similar. What would come here? All dash triangles are similar. Which one triangles are similar? If you see, isosceles or equilateral triangle. Isosceles means any two sides are equal. Isosceles means, let's say this one and this one side, these are equal. And let's say in another one, this one and this one, these two, this one and this one, these two are equal. So are they similar triangles? No, because shape is not same. But in case of that equilateral triangle, you would be getting the same shape. Look here. Let me make the equilateral triangle because all the sides are equal in the case of equilateral triangle. All the sides are equal in case of the equilateral triangle. One bigger, one smaller. So these are similar, isn't it? Okay. So in case of the equilateral triangle, all sides are similar. So if all sides are similar, would be of the similar shape, isn't it? So that is why we would be calling all the equilateral triangles are as similar. So what would come here? Equilateral. Okay. Next question. Two triangles are similar if their corresponding angles are. Just now we have discussed this also in the previous lecture. I have told you the condition for the similarity. Two conditions were there. Two triangles or the two polygons, I told you, would be similar. Let's say these are the two triangles. These two triangles are similar. What? If the corresponding angles are equal and the corresponding sides are in the same ratio, or you can say the corresponding sides are proportional. Okay. So the two triangles would be similar triangles if their corresponding angles are equal. So two triangles are similar if their corresponding angles are equal. Isn't it? Okay. Now two polygons of the same number of sides. We have also discussed this one question. We have taken a polygon having 6 sides. Isn't it? In the previous video. So two polygons of the same number of sides are similar if, condition first, their corresponding angles are, tell me, their corresponding angles are, yes, we have discussed this, equal. So this would come there, equal. Their corresponding sides are in the same ratio, means proportional. So this would come there, isn't it? So note down these questions. We'll be discussing some more. So we have two more questions here. Question is, all squares are similar or congruent? Congruent means shape, and let me make two square. This is the first square and this is the second square. So are these two square congruent? No, because shape is same but size is not same. This one is of bigger size, this one is the smaller one. Okay, so size is not same. So hence these are similar. So all squares are similar. Okay, so all squares are similar. This would be the answer. Now next is, two triangles are similar if their corresponding sides are, means this one side and this one side should be equal? No. If their corresponding sides are proportional, means should be in the same ratio. Okay, so if their corresponding sides are proportional. Okay, so that is the first question. Okay, just note it down. Then after we will be moving towards the second question. This is the next question. Question is true or false. You have to write the true and false statement here. So first one is, any two similar figures are congruent. Any two similar figures are congruent. Let me take two similar figures. Let's say this one and this one. These both are similar. Okay, let me make it here. Let me take these two figures, one the small square and another the big one square. Are these similar figures? Yes, these are the similar figures. But are they congruent also? No, because size is not same. Size also should be same. Okay, so any two similar figures are congruent. If you are saying this, it means we are wrong. So this would be the false statement, isn't it? So this would be the false statement. Okay, now the next one. Any two congruent figures are similar. Let me make two congruent figures. Let make this one circle and this one circle. Both are congruent or not? Because why? They have same shape also, same size also. So they are congruent. So are they similar also? Obviously yes. So all similar means they have same shape. At least they have same shape also, na? So we would call the congruent figures as similar also. So all the congruent figures, you take any congruent figures, so they are similar also, because they are following the condition for similarity. What is the condition for similarity? Condition for similarity is, that means their shape should be same. So in all the congruent figures, you would have same shape as well as same size also. So same shape is there in all the congruent figures. So means similarity condition, the congruent figures are following. Okay. So hence any two congruent figures if you are taking, so they would be similar. So this would be the true statement. Next one. Two polygons are similar if their corresponding sides are proportional. Yes, we have discussed this. Okay, we have discussed their two conditions. The two polygons would be similar if number one, their corresponding angles are equal. Number two, their corresponding sides are in the same ratio, or we can say their corresponding sides are proportional. Okay, both are same. Okay, so it means two polygons are similar if their corresponding sides are proportional. So it is true. Two polygons are similar if their corresponding angles are equal. Yes, this is also true. We have already discussed this. This was the first condition, na? Yeah. Two triangles are similar. We have already discussed the similarity of the triangle. Two conditions already we have discussed there. Two triangles would be similar. Number one, if their corresponding angles are equal. Number two, if their corresponding sides are proportional, or you can say their corresponding sides are in the same ratio. So look here. Two triangles are similar if their corresponding sides are equal. Sorry, corresponding sides are proportional. I think yes. If the corresponding sides of the two triangles are proportional, means in the same ratio, this one side by this one side equal to this one side by this one, means are in the same ratio, then we would be calling the triangle as what? Similar. So this condition, this statement is true. Now next, two triangles are similar if their corresponding angles are proportional. No, corresponding angles should be equal. So this would be the false statement. Okay, so that was your second question today. Okay, now we would be discussing some other questions in the upcoming videos, but before that we will have to discuss the basic proportionality theorem also. So that we would be discussing, that is BPT, in the upcoming lectures. Till then, stay tuned and keep watching. Thank you. Have a good day.